Hello dear students, today we are going to see class 7th English 4.1 Double Standards Complete English Workshop. Question number 1. List all the words from the grown-ups in the poem used for the child. Answer: lazy, stubborn, shocking and rude, clumsy, careless, terror, wide and naughty. Question number 2. List all the situations described in the poem. For example, waking up late. Answer: waking up late, saying no to something, raising voice, breaking something, doing something wrong, quarreling. Next question. Find the antonyms of. First, lazy. Answer: industrious, rude, polite, firm, hesitant, careless, careful, wrong, right. Question number 4. Translate the following into mother tongue. Stubborn, hatti, firm, खंबीर, ठाम, careless, निष्काळजी, helpless, असहाय्य दुबळा, क्लस्मी, वेंधळा, naughty, खोडकर. Question number 5. Use any one situation in the poem and write two short speeches using words and ideas from the poem. A. Speech in which the grown-up scolds the child. Answer: situation: a child says no to something. Speech by grown-ups. What did you say? No. How dare you? Since when have you become so rude and stubborn? I cannot believe you can say no to whatever I ask you to do. You are a small child. You cannot refuse to do anything. If told by elders, do it again and I shall take you to task. Did you get it? Next, a speech in which the grown-ups explains why his or her own situations, own actions are right. Answer: situation. Grown-ups explain why he or she says no to something. And grown-up speech is like this: look, you cannot go for swimming. My decision is final. I firm about this. You should know why I don't allow you to go to the pond. All sorts of people swim there. It is a terribly dirty pond. See what I shall tell you. To good. See what I tell you is good for you. And children should obey elders. You will not go. That's it. Question number 6. Form two groups and discuss the following statements. One group should support the statement and other group should oppose it. You may use English or your mother tongue wherever necessary in the discussion.